Here's a little walkthrough on how to use Kloudfuse's playground environment. Its data is from the OpenTelemetry demo, and let me give you a quick guide on where you should check things out. So first of all, you start in the logs area, and most of you know how to search logs. The easiest way is to, let's say, click error, potentially click a pie chart, or check out the fingerprints and do ad hoc search. Second, we pop over here real quick. One of the neat things about Kloudfuse is it runs on-prem in your Kubernetes environment. It runs in your VPC wherever your secure environment is. The neat thing about that is you run it, we help you manage it. So the control plane part of Kloudfuse is the dashboard that kind of tells us how a Kloudfuse is doing. So the Kloudfuse customer success and SRE team can make sure that you're upgraded and things are working great. If you cruise across some of the other menu items, they will look very similar to other products that you're used to. Let me highlight a few things. First, if you pop over in APM, click on Service Map, it will draw a service map from the distributed traces. One of the things I like to do is change my time range in APM to the last 3 hours, which helps expose some new errors. This is based on a demo, so there's a cycle when errors actually happen. So if I were to click on the front end service over the last 3 hours, I'm going to see some errors here. I'll see an SLO has been breached, which you're welcome to check out. And then down here, if you scroll across these, like deployments, errors, dependencies, you can dig in deeper, even go to the traces, select error traces, and drill into the waterfall. There's another really cool feature that you might miss called the trace heat map. The trace heat map is really cool because you can draw a box around something that is kind of interesting. This is a latency heat map, and click Analyze with K-Lens. K-Lens is like an MRI for data. It's going to tell you what's different between the thing that you selected and everything else. So you'll say, hey, everything's coming from the event stream RPC method and the flag de-evaluation. You might, of course, use that to drill further. The metrics area in Kloudfuse is pretty cool. Here's a very simple query to run. If I pick something like Kubernetes CPU, it's always a good way to, use this front end to common languages like PromQL. I'm going to pick user total. Okay. Metrics aren't hard, but one of the cool things about Playground is you can actually run metrics by clicking on this Sigma icon, I guess. If I click on algorithms, explore a bunch of these other things, but pop over here to anomalies, and you can use sophisticated anomaly detection algorithms like Agile Robust, which is based on Facebook's profit algorithm. It's really good because we can see like the red areas here. We can see the yellow is kind of the normal. You can adjust the time range and the spread here, and also use it for comparison. You also might use it to make an alert. Probably don't need to create alerts on Playground. And also you might throw in another, like a forecast feature. So to give you a few ideas on how this works, another fun thing to do is check out Rum. So if you check out Rum, Rum is rumming Playground. Okay. So you can look at Core Web Vitals, but if we click on here, we'll actually, we'll see the path through this app, which is actually me using Kloudfuse. And then if I click on replay shortly, if this one is finished, it will load a replay for you. So you're literally looking at the very recording that I have been doing. So it's a pretty cool feature. And lastly, feel free to check out the area around Grafana because the back end of Kloudfuse is Grafana compatible. So if I pop into Grafana and I choose one of the data sources, the Grafana UI thinks it is Loki, Prometheus, Tempo, or Pyroscope. So when I click on Pyroscope and I want to do a profiling query, that's coming right from the Kloudfuse data lake. Feel free to pop around. You're probably pretty familiar with most observability products, and we think Kloudfuse is a fantastic place. This is just some tips on how to use Playground.